Right, Colin, let's summarise what we want from our new packaging. We need to put 12 times the amount of current information that's on the pack. We need the information to stay with the pack throughout the supply chain into the hands of the consumer. We need the consumer to be able to refer back to the information on multiple occasions. We need a primary and also a secondary supplier around the globe, but they all must have common technology. What we want is one pack for all markets, regardless of the language. We need to simplify procurement and reduce our stock holding unit. We want to show we're environmentally friendly, so we need to reduce the packaging. And finally, we want to improve the line speed and reliability so we avoid any stoppages on the production line. Right, Colin, I'd like you to go away, come back to me next week and let me know what you find.
The ever-increasing legislative and consumer demand for product information and extended on-pack content poses a continual problem for manufacturers worldwide. Just how can such lengthy details be conveyed on the product? Conventional methods have their disadvantages. Loose leaflets and neck tags can become easily detached or lost. A carton and loose leaflet can also get lost or at least be difficult to use. Besides this, inserting the information into the pack in the first instance is notoriously difficult, if not impractical at times. A common solution to this is to reduce type sizes. However, this often results in the label being unreadable, may discourage your end user from making the best out of the information, and at times may even contravene legislative guidelines. So what is the cure for such a packaging headache? Fixaform provides the ultimate solution. By combining an ordinary printed leaflet with a self-adhesive label supplied on reel, now you can create unlimited space where space is limited. Detailed information can be accommodated in a variety of formats, either in a concertina leaflet style or a booklet style with virtually any number of pages, providing maximum user-friendliness, or a cross-folded leaflet style, ideal for conveying extensive user information and promotional posters or brochures. With a whole host of features and benefits, it is no wonder that brand owners and manufacturers worldwide are increasingly choosing Fixaform to provide their packaging solutions. And furthermore, Fixaform products can be applied to virtually any container or pack type.
Apart from the specific areas of use, such as the pharmaceutical and agrochemical markets, Fixaform products can be used to fulfill a great number of requirements. Whether you need additional space to add product information and user instruction, or to cross-promote your brand, or even add details of an exciting promotion.
Yeah, easy ways for brands to be able to use their packaging without just changing the format of the pack, without changing the overall graphical appeal of the pack.
Cosmetic legislation demands clarity about methods of testing, and food regulation asks for definition and justification of all kinds of claims and terminology used. Increasingly, this information has to be multilingual. Fixaform products allow the manufacturer to include extensive multilingual text, thus removing the need to reprint packaging in a variety of languages.
I'm afraid we were simply supplying English labels, and that was holding us back. But equally, for a small company, producing a full label in every language that we were working with was simply unreasonable. We couldn't do it. But this has allowed us to be very targeted.
This can simplify the distribution chain and reduce inventory. This was not the only challenge for this tool manufacturer. Their commitment to minimal packaging for environmental and economic reasons meant that secondary packaging could not be added.
The standard label dimensions are only 55 by 70 millimeters, which means that we didn't have any spaces to put all the information needed for the promotion, and the Fixaform 10 pages had been able to answer our requirement.
Whatever your requirements, Fixaform can provide the solution. It is no wonder that Fixaform has enjoyed widespread popularity with multinational manufacturers of all kinds of consumer goods. Fixaform Global Network offers the cure to your packaging headaches. Unlimited space where space is limited, for example multilingual. Automatically applied using standard labeling equipment with little or no effect on current production speeds.
Adaptable to virtually any container type.
User-friendly way to convey information.
On-pack impact, making your products stand out from the crowd.
Added value.
In-store promotion.
Image enhancing.
Cost effective.
Whatever your requirement, Fixaform products can be applied to virtually any product. Our worldwide network of 20+ licensees means you can promote your brand globally in over 40 national markets. Each Fixaform licensee is a leading self-adhesive label printer, offering all of the traditional techniques and services to complement those specific to Fixaform leaflet label production, typically including pre-press artwork and plate-making facilities, state-of-the-art Fixaform converting machinery, specialist die-cutting equipment, a selection of ancillary finishing machines, extensive quality control equipment and procedures, label application machines available from each licensee, freestanding, high-speed application, minimal or no effect on current production speeds.
We run this line at 250 bottles per minute. Fixaforms are attached at the labelling machine automatically to either the cap or the rear of the bottle with no effect on line speed whatsoever.
Yeah, the Fixaform labels have really helped us to get into some of the foreign markets because it's essential that the information is in the appropriate language.
If you look at the complexity of the sticker and how it's attached to our products, it goes through 6, 7, 8 different variations of hands before it gets to the end user. And the fact that it's stuck on the product has been the greatest advantage for us.
But yeah, I'm very proud of the result we've got, and it does show you the power of packaging as a way to communicate added value messages, which clearly Fixaform allow you to do very easily.
The flow of using Fixaforms on the production line is easier. We're working one person less on the line having used Fixaforms. Anything that cuts costs as a buyer appeals to me.
So Colin, you think Fixaform leaflet labels are the answer? So it'll give us enough space to put any user information and any marketing messages, so it attaches to the container and stays with the product into the stores and on the pack even after the consumers started using it. You're saying there is already a global network of suppliers in place. We can label every pack in every language, ready to ship wherever there's a demand. We can simplify procurement and reduce our inventory. It will also reduce our packaging, and production say it will actually speed up the line. Well done, Colin. I think using Fixaform labels is going to benefit us all round.
Fixaform International Limited. For further information, visit our website www.fixaform.com.